This is the funny story because when we have lack of infrastructure, our logistic services is growing higher than our annual economic growth. Our annual economic growth is just only 5 to 6%, but logistics services growing around 14% a year. So this is like supply and demand. When there is a gap, when there is a problem, business or private companies will take advantage of it. And the other story as well, we spend almost a quarter of our money spending for logistics purposes. So you can imagine, we spend a lot of money for transporting, storing, maybe for administrative costs. So it is one quarter, higher than Thailand. Thailand only spend around 17 to 18% of their GDP. Japan, only 11%. So we need to improve in this area. The other challenge is there is imbalance trade between west and east of Indonesia. Mostly our GDP, or Indonesia GDP, was generated 80% in three islands actually, Java, Sumatra, and Bali. You know Bali is, or Indonesia is part of Bali. Bali is part of Indonesia, so. Yeah, because some people say Bali is another country, yeah, but Bali is part of Indonesia. So we generate GDP in these three islands. Less money is in the east part of Indonesia. And 80% of our population live in Java, Sumatra, and Bali. The other two challenges is how we can revive our maritime-based industry. Because our island, actually our country, Indonesian country, is archipelagic country, mainly oceans. But until now, we just realized, we just get the awareness, the importance of maritime industry. And the last challenges is AEC in 2015. If we look at the Logistic Performance Index, again, this is just to give you the